Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add WooCommerce product in homepage. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and open the homepage product of your website in WooCommerce. And by the way, in order for you to do this, you need to have the Elementor plugin in your WordPress. Okay? So now click the Edit with Elementor section at the upper part of your home page. Now find the shortcode under the General section, then drag it in your home page. Once you've done that, type this code in the shortcode box. Go ahead and type this code. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the apply button. Okay? And that should add your WooCommerce product in your homepage. Okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.